Who is ServPro?
How much time do you have?
Well, my name's Jon Barrett and I'm with ServPro. It's my family business. We've been in the business for about 19 years. ServPro is part of a nationwide franchise. We own the local 2 franchises and we respond to fire and water emergencies. In the past 19 years, we've responded and helped about thousands of people through different size disasters. And that's basically what we do. We try to help restore people's lives and property. What makes ServPro stand out? Aside from the green trucks?
There's got to be more to it than that. What makes ServPro stand out? The word diversity comes to mind. We can handle anything from a pet stain to a building burning down and anything in between, which really makes it convenient for our properties, communities that we serve, and our property managers. We only got to call one person.
So aside from some of our community outreach programs, fundraisers, we're also members of several other organizations. We work a lot with a lot of apartment complexes, so we decided to join the PAA.
Which turns out is an excellent platform so we can better understand our communities and our property managers' wants and needs and try to stay one step ahead of the curve so we can be there for them on a day-to-day basis.
Who is ServPro? Well, that's a great question. I want to stop and I want to talk about this right here. ServPro's vision is to be the premier cleaning restoration company in the world. Right now, we're focused our efforts here in central Pennsylvania and we take it very seriously. It's part of our training with our technicians and part of our culture here.